Good day, ma'am. My name is Raul Pispadera, base IT major in drafting, section 2F. And I will talk about the male reproductive system. First is vas deferens. It carries mature sperm from the epididymis to the urethra. Then second, seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle produce seminal fluid which mix with sperm to make semen. Then prostate gland add more fluid and helps nourish and protect sperm. And fourth one is urethra, the tube that carries semen and urine out of the body through the penis. Then penis is the external organ that delivers semen in the female reproductive system. Then the scrotum, the skin, puts the hold and protect the testes, keeping them cool for sperm production. Epididymis is called tube where sperm matured and are stored. Then, and the last one, public bone. Public bone is not a productive organ itself, but it's a important bone that helps protect and support the organs of the productive and urinary system. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you.